Yo, what's up, everybody? It's RVH back at you. This one here is going into my cycling hobby, and what I found at Walmart, this was a great deal. Y'all know I love sharing my great Walmart finds with y'all. The Huffy Bike Repair Kit. Now, this I found on clearance at Walmart for $4, and I actually bought two of them, and we're going to go through what all is in it. But as you can see, we got a bunch of various things, and I've done some research, and actually the regular price on this was like $30, and I've never actually seen one anywhere before. So we're going to set that one off to the side. We bought two. And let's just go ahead and let's go over the bag real quick. The bag is actually designed to, it's like a handlebar mount. So this would go to your handlebars, and then this part would actually to the stem. And I'm not going to break out a bike and demonstrate it. So let's just get into what we got for, well, what I got for $4 and what you could actually get for 30, which even at $30 is not a bad deal. Okay, we're actually going to come with an instruction booklet that's going to show you how to do everything. It actually goes over how to mount it to your bicycle, and shows you how to actually use the tire levers to change a tire. So if you're new to any of this, they're actually going to give you instructions on how to make adjustments and do some basic repairs on your bike, which that's really nice for the beginner that doesn't know a whole lot. So I guess we'll just start here. You actually get a relatively nice chain breaker, which that's really handy to have. If you break your chain on the road, you can actually repair your chain. So we'll just set that up there. Then don't run off on me. Don't run off. I said don't run off. Anyway, the little mini pump, which is actually pretty neat. Most mini pumps you stop about here, but this one here, try to get it all in the frame. As you can see, the handle really extends out, so it actually is quite effective. So we got our mini pump, and come with two tire levers for those tires that are pesky and don't want to come off, and yeah, they're pretty stiff and pretty good quality. So there goes our tire levers, and I'm saving the best for last. And then we get our, can't get it open. There we go. Trying to do it behind the camera there. And inside the little box, we have like a little bone wrench, all various different sizes. Not sure. None of my bikes I'm actually going to need a wrench on, but you know, if you need a little bone wrench, we got it. And then we come with glueless patches and little rubber scraper. And let me put the little bone wrench back in there. Right in there. The only problem I haven't figured out how to, twice I had that, there we go. Anyway, so now to me, and what I paid for it, heck, the bag alone is worth the $4. Even if you don't carry tools, the bag is actually really good quality, heavy duty, nice zipper. A little crowning jewel here to me. This was worth this right here in itself would actually be worth money right here. It's the little multi-purpose folding tool. You're going to get all your little Allens that you might need on a bike. And you're going to get a Phillips head and a flathead screwdriver. Then flip this open, and they give you 3 little sockets. And the 3 little sockets actually would fit on the big Allen head. So that way if you need a socket. So that right there is pretty cool. This folding tool, and it actually has a spoke wrench that will fit various sizes, and I guess, you know, whatever you need that for. So to me, the actual value on this, because of the spoke wrench, because of this folding multi-tool here, This folding multi-tool right here is, hell, I'm not going to say worth its weight in gold, but if you need it, yeah, it would be if you're out on the road somewhere. So, yeah, so like I said, let's recap. Chain breaker, folding multi-tool, mini pump, tire levers, and the patch kit and the bone wrench. Yeah, so scour your Walmarts in the bike department and see if you can score you one of these for $4. I went ahead and got 2 of them. Well worth the money. We'll catch y'all in the next one.